Hello, this week's video is about using spreadsheets in the classroom and how I have my students use them. Um, I have to admit, I don't do a lot of teaching with spreadsheets. This is something that I need to take a class on how to teach using spreadsheets in my classroom and learn a lot more about using Excel or any other kind of spreadsheet. Um, I have used spreadsheets myself for for like gradebook and for collecting data and information for myself. However, I have to say that a lot of my students from previous teachers have learned how to use spreadsheets to create graphs, especially for science fair. It's really helpful. They have used the raw data that they have collected from their science fair projects and put it into an Excel format to create either charts or graphs showing either their quantifiable or quantitative data, and then use that for science fair as far as part of their display. So that's one way that my students have used it. But outside of that, I have to really admit that I have not used spreadsheets much at all. And even for gradebook anymore, we use PowerSchool, which is online software that's used for gradebook. And so I don't have to use a spreadsheet anymore. So I do know that I watched Stacey King's video and I liked what she said that she uses spreadsheets for, and that's for her students to create a budget. And that is one possible way I could think of using a spreadsheet in my sixth grade classroom for math, or even as an extended activity to create a budget. Because I do have students who do specific projects using budgets and they have to come up with a budget. So maybe that is another way I could use a spreadsheet. So something for me to look into and investigate more. Thanks. Have a great week.